Hi everybody. I wanted to do a quick little video taking up some of the common mistakes that were happening the other day during math. So if you're interested with factoring and simplifying, I wanted to go over 3 of the questions just to kind of clear a few things up. Now, when I say simplify, what I mean is you have to solve what you can using BEDMAS before you factor anything. So for example, in number 1, we had 2 sets of brackets which have to be solved first, okay, if you can solve them. Now, 8x plus 4x, well, I think of x's in terms of apples. If I have 8 apples plus 4 apples, I have 12 apples. So in this case, simplifying this bracket becomes 12x. Now I've got my other set of brackets is 7 plus 9 minus 10. 7 plus 9 is 16, minus 10 is 6. So I've got 12x divided by 6. Well, if I had 12 apples and I wanted to divide them into 6 equal piles, I would actually have 2 apples each, or 2x. Now, the next one, 8 bracket 10x minus 6x minus 2 plus 4, I have to solve this bracket first. 10x minus 6x is 4x. So 8 bracket 4x, and then I go minus 2 plus 4. Well, I can solve 2 plus 4 because 2 plus 4 is 6. So there we have 2 plus 4 is 6. So if I have 8x, or sorry, I think this was supposed to be times in the original question, so this becomes 8. So if I have 8 times 4x, I have 32x minus 8. Now, I can leave it there if I want, or I can factor it. If I factor it, I know that 8 actually goes into 8 once and 32 4 times. So I can pull out the 8, and then that would be 4x minus 1. Okay? The last question I wanted to go through was this one with you. A lot of people made the same mistake, that they wanted to factor this bracket before they solved anything else. But really, you have to solve this bracket because there's nothing in there for you to factor. It is solvable. You don't need to rephrase it. So you have to simplify it. So we have 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Then we've got times 7 plus 5x minus 5. Okay, now we do them in the order of appearance. So 5 times 7 is 35, plus 5x minus 5. Okay, well, I've got 2 whole numbers. I've got 35, and then I've got a minus positive 5. So 35 minus 5 is 30, plus 5x. And at this point, after I've simplified, I can go ahead and say